nomadic lands in the Horn of Africa to become one of the most resilient and successful diasporas in the world. Yet in recent weeks, Somali Americans, especially in Minnesota, have faced harsh rhetoric that labels an entire community as a burden or unwanted. Here are the facts the world needs to hear. A people shaped by resilience. Somalis come from one of the toughest environments on earth: long distances, dry landscapes, and a lifestyle that demanded intelligence, endurance, and courage. From childhood, nomadic families teach hard work, self-reliance, problem-solving, and community cooperation. These values are the same ones Somalis carry today across North America, Europe, Australia, the Middle East, and Africa. You cannot erase resilience. You cannot insult a people whose history is built on survival and strength. From nomadic life to global excellence. Look at the Somali diaspora today. Doctors in major U.S. hospitals, entrepreneurs running trucking companies, malls, restaurants, and tech startups, nurses and healthcare workers supporting hospitals, educators teaching in universities, athletes competing globally, and elected officials serving with integrity. In Minnesota alone, Somali-owned businesses generate hundreds of millions and create thousands of jobs. This is not a burden. This is a backbone community. Somali unity and integrity. Somalis are known for unity, cultural identity, family values, and generosity. Even after civil war and displacement, Somalis rise together. No community is perfect, and every group has individuals who make mistakes. But the actions of a few should never define millions of honest, hardworking people. Blaming an entire community for isolated incidents is unfair and dangerous. Why negative comments are false? When leaders target Somalis with blanket accusations, they ignore the thousands who pay taxes, the entrepreneurs supporting the economy, the essential workers who save lives during COVID, the students and professionals shaping the future, and the strong moral values woven into Somali culture. Somalis are contributors, not a burden. Builders, not destroyers. Somali success is global. Somalis today are CEOs, airline pilots, engineers, authors, diplomats, humanitarian workers, and innovators. From Minneapolis to London, Nairobi to Toronto, Somalis continue breaking barriers. The journey from nomadic life to global influence is one of the great immigrant success stories of our time. To every Somali watching this, hold your head high. Your ancestors were warriors, poets, traders, and navigators. Somali people rise, endure, and build always stronger than hate. This is East African mindset sharing truth, dignity, and inspiration with the world.